right, this is Byrna CL, the Compact Launcher. Of course, got a trusty watermelon here. See what it can do against that. Open up the case, guys. Here we go. Byrna did send me some of these max projectiles. We will not be taking rounds from this today. I'm still dealing with a respiratory affliction, illness, whatever's going on in my chest. So I would not be subjecting myself to that. So in this kit here, they sent us some kinetic projectiles, pro training projectiles, and another tube of kinetic projectiles. There's 5 rounds in each of these. But as you can see, size of my hand, about the width of my hand. Not too bad, guys. I mean, it's very lightweight. All right, so 5 shots. First round actually come flying off. I was off on my target and went flying off. So we're a good 20 yards off on this. That's where I felt comfortable in the yard firing from. Got around here. I know that one flew off. I saw it. Around here, here, and here. So we do have entry point in the watermelon. The area around the shots are actually very mushy. So I'm expecting a lot of damage inside the watermelon like we've done before with the LE. Rest of the melon, nice and hard. We're gonna go ahead and cut this open and see what type of penetration we got, see what kind of damage has been done inside this watermelon. So I do like using watermelons because it does have a nice hard surface. I don't have ballistic dummies. Those things are very expensive, but I have seen ballistic dummies and stuff used when firing a Byrna against it. Oh wow, that is about 3/4 through the watermelon right there. Kind of hard to see contrast with the round itself against the red of the melon itself, but that is the entry point right there. Tore through just great. Yeah, I can definitely tell where entry points were. That one went through. That's an exit one right there. Yeah. Let's see here. We got one here. Put that there. As far as these projectile guys, as long as they're cleaned up and there's no damage, I've never had any problem reusing any of these. Man, that is one heck of a cavity there. I don't know if you guys can see down in there. I wonder if that's the one that went through, came out that way. Okay, let's go further. Oh yeah, that definitely mushed that up. But still absolutely delicious. Found another. So that's 3 out of 4. Unfortunately, like I said, that one went through. I can see the trail going through and coming out. With that being said, I've done testing where I've gotten shot by these. They hurt. That's one of the videos I hate doing, is getting shot by these. Seeing the trajectory tear through and come back out on this side. Yeah, I'm not getting hit by this. I think the smaller caliber, the .61 versus the .68, definitely allows a lot more velocity. And I believe, I mean, my LE never shot through watermelons. It tear through about halfway. You know, we had 3/4 and all the way out there. Yeah, I'm not gonna, this is gonna sting getting hit. So, functionality, I like it. Well, we actually got a mess. That's what we got out of it. So I decided to go open side in, and it blew up all over the back of the yard and got all over the camera. So didn't get any penetration on the outside. There's something right there. From what I can see, looks like the mass of watermelon took all the direct hit. Oh man, this is all mush now. That is, oh, nasty. Yeah, I'm not taking a hit from this thing. Not if it can punch through a watermelon like that. I'm not going to take a hit. Done many reviews with the Byrna products, taking hits, leaving black and blue whelps, getting sprayed by the bad guy repellent, the pepper ball, CS gas. I've done them all. And yeah, I don't like getting hit by these things. This is why we endorse it. This is why we endorse Byrna, because I have put my body through getting rounds hit. Ain't no fun. So anyway, guys, I've got to clean this mess up. If you guys are interested in the CL Byrna, again, that is the compact launcher. Definitely check out links below, guys. I've loved all their products. The products have always been great, and I like having them in our home. I actually take my LE when I go on my camping trips, just so I have something to deal with cats and stuff. And no, I don't mean little house cats. I mean, we got some bobcats and stuff like that down here, and it's nice having something like that just to deter and run things off. I did have a question. One of our subscribers asked, would it work against a bear? I would not recommend taking less lethal platforms against a bear. All right, I've seen actual firearm rounds just piss off bears. So yeah, no, I wouldn't recommend that. Anyway, guys, appreciate you hanging out with me.